Songs fill every seat, making every ride a treat. The shiny lights go blink, 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 twinkling faster than you think, lighting up the morning sky as the little bus goes by. The little bell goes ding, 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 hear the chipper echoes ring. Everyone is ready now, off we go and take a bow. The busy engine hums so low, helping all the children go. Steady, gentle, smooth and slow, past the gardens all in a row. The windows let the breezes in, cool and fresh upon your skin. Wave hello to friends outside while enjoying every ride. The tiny birds sing tweet, 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 dancing to a happy beat, flying high above the trees, floating softly in the breeze. The puppies wag and bark with joy, watching every girl and boy running near the roadside grass as the yellow bus goes past. The kittens purr so quietly, curled up cozy as can be, peeking through with sparkling eyes, full of fun and sweet surprise. The children laugh, ha 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 ha, pointing at a bright red star, sharing stories all the way on this lovely travel day. The teacher claps 1, 2, 3.